Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Hummer's 2006 to 2010 H3. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the body and remove fuel lines or brackets from the work area. Step 3. This rear frame repair kit covers the section of frame which houses the rear body mount, rear leaf spring mount, and spare tire cross member. You have two options. Option 1. Remove the rear body mount and replace it later. The mount is welded in place. Option 2. Remove the perforation on the frame section that accommodates the mount. Step 4. Mark the frame section's coverage on the frame rail. Cut along the length of the frame rail in this area, removing 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of material from the bottom, including the rear leaf spring mount. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section on the frame, using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame, then weld all edges fully. Step 5. If the mount was removed in Step 3, install a replacement at this time. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed, then lower and reinstall the body.